b square plus b cube, and a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So using that, we can do exercise 4b. First question, find the cube of 3a minus 2b. Exercise 4b. First question, 3a minus 2b. So we had to find the cube of 3a minus 2b means 3a minus 2b whole cube we have to find out. So this is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So first you write a minus b whole cube formula. A minus b whole cube is equal to, what is a minus b whole cube? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here we want to find out 3a minus 2b whole cube. So a is equal to, if needed, do in the working column. A is equal to 3a, here b is equal to 2b. So same thing you have to apply here. So which is equal to a cube means 3a the whole cube minus 3 into a square means 3a the whole square. 3a the whole square into b. B means 2b. Plus 3a means 3a. B means 2b. So 2b square. That means b square means 2b whole square minus b cube means 2b the whole cube. 2b the whole cube. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then do. Cube is common for this 3 and a. So that means 3 cube. That means 3 into 3 into 3. Do the calculation. Tell me the final answer. Tell me 27 a cube. Then do this in the working column. 3 square is what? 9. 3a the whole square is what? 9a square. Then we have to multiply by 3 into 9a square into 2b. So what will be? 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 9. 54a square b, isn't it? So this we can write it as negative 54a square b. Then same way, 3 into 3a into 2b whole square means 2 square b square. 2 square 4. 4b square. So 3 into 3 9. 9 4s are 36ab square plus 36ab square minus 2b whole cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. 8b cube. 8b cube. So this is your answer. Anyone have any doubt in this? Which part doubt?
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. So one more thing. For exercise 4a, we have done all the questions. Which are the homework questions? That also we have done in the class. No homework also. It is there in that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is in the recorded video, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Homework.
Ma'am, one day we couldn't record.
That only, that we discussed already. We discussed then.
Yes,
10
ma'am.
and 13. That only need to give. But remaining all the questions.
Ma'am, but we had a doubt regarding the 11th. When ma'am did yesterday during
That,
the recorded.
that is
Ma'am
recorded.
already. Yes.
11th
Yes, yesterday we recorded that time, ma'am. Again, written the homeworks. Some had doubt regarding that, ma'am said, and
that
ma'am did that again.
I'm not asking about the 11th. 10, 12 and 13. Okay, once we fixed that all things. 11 yesterday we have done that. Then I am talking about 1 to remaining question 1 to 9 and 14, 15, 16. 1 to 9. Any questions? All are recorded. All questions are recorded, no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Homework also.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, next year it will be difficult. That's why I am sending this as a YouTube link. So you can subscribe and okay, then it will be easy. That question number also I am sending. I will send. Okay, don't worry.
Ma'am, I have already subscribed ma'am's YouTube channel.
Some questions only I gave in YouTube. Some questions only. So remaining I need time. Sunday only I can do. No, that's when due to this net problem and all. So tell me which are not recorded. Tell me. So at last, if you tell me, it will be difficult for me. I want to search now. So after completing one exercise, you have to say which all questions we have not recorded. So it will be. I will send it again. So first exercise completed. Then second question. Tell me. Can do it now. 5a plus 3b. Do it. Same as a minus b whole cube. Can do a plus b whole cube. 5a plus 3b. Second question. Do it. It's the form of a plus b whole cube. So all will be plus. Our question is 5a plus 3b. First, second one. Okay. First set, second one. 5a plus 3b, the whole cube we have to find out. So write a is equal to 5a, b is equal to 3b. Do it. I will not do. Do yourself. I will write only the answer. Any doubt, please ask me. Completed.
No. Completed, ma'am.
After completing, please raise your hands. Only one. What about others? Raise your hands after completing. I'm waiting for you. If you have doubt, please tell me. I will clear your doubts. Otherwise, you will simply copy from the board. No, that's right. Okay. Now so many are there. Okay. Okay, tell me. 5a plus 3b. What can we write? Is equal to
125 a cube
a cube.
225 a square b
Plus
135 ab square
135 ab square
plus 27 b cube.
plus 27 b cube. All got?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So lower your hands. If anyone have any doubt, please raise your hands. Others, lower your hands. Want to do the problem or not? What happened, Anika? Which one? Which part you have doubt? Anika. Anika, are you here?
Sorry, ma'am, by mistakenly.
So 125 a cube. The next step 2a plus 1 by 2a whole cube. Same way do it 2a plus 1 by 2a. 2a plus third question 2a plus 1 by 2a. 2a plus 1 by 2a the whole cube. Same 2a the whole cube plus 3a square means 2a square. Then b means 1 by 2a plus 3 into 2a. Then b square means 1 by 2a the whole square. Square is common for both 1 and 2a. Plus same way b cube means 1 by 2a the whole cube. Any doubt in this step? Why don't? Calculation do separately, that is better. Two a whole cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 8 a cube plus 2a whole square. So do in the working column 3 into 2a square means 2 into 2, 4, 4a square into 1 by 2a. So what we can do? Tell me, stop writing. Tell me 3 into middle term. After discussion we can write. 3 into 4a square into 1 by 2a. I will give you time. Tell me how can we? Otherwise you will commit mistake, that's why. 3 into 4a square into 1 by 2a. Cancellation.
Cancel a 1
Here 1
A
a cancel. Then
then
2
2 and 4
cancel. We
4
can write.
cancel.
So remaining 3 into 2, 6. 1 a also there.
A
6a.
6
First term will become 6a. Write down. After that we can do the next one. 8a cube plus 6a. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Then plus, how can we do this one? Do in the working column 3 into 2a into 1 by 2a the whole square means 1 square divided by 2a whole square means what? 1 square is 1 itself. Directly we can write 1. 2a square means 2 square 4, a square a square. 4a square.
1 A and A cancel.
A and here denominator 1a we can cancel. Then 2,
2 and
4,
2 and 4.
2 and 4 cancel.
numerator 3, numerator 3, then
Denominator 2.
2a. 2a.
Denominator 2.
denominator
2a.
2a
2a.
divided by denominator 2a. So 3 divided by 2a. This whole term will become 3 divided by 2a. Write down. Then
1
One-
divided by 4a square.
Eight.
1 by 8 is
8 square, 8 square.
The whole cube. No. Cube. 1 divided by 1 into 1 is 1 itself. 2 cube is 8a cube. Satik, understood now? 8a cube. Then fourth question, do it. 3a minus 1 by a. Do it yourself. 3a minus same. I will write only answer, okay? Next question, 3a minus 1 by a. Fourth question, 3a minus 1 by a whole cube. Same as this. A minus b whole cube. That is a minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Completed. You are completed, tell me. Right answer. Completed. Answer.
Ma'am.
Not completed.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
Ten-
Answer.
27 a cube
27 a cube
minus 27
minus
a
27 a
a
plus
plus
1 by
a
minus 1 by a cube.
1 by
A cube.
1 by a or 1 by a cube?
1 by a
9 by
9 by a
9 by a minus 1 by a cube.
1 by a cube.
1 by a. So 27a cube minus 27a plus 9 by a minus 1 by a cube. All got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
9 by a minus 1 by a cube. Okay. So next is second one. Next question onwards, your problem will arise. No. These all are easy.
Yes,
what we have to do, that all things, no confusion. A square plus 1 by a square is equal to 47 and a not equal to 0. Find a plus 1 by a and a cube plus 1 by a cube. So what we have, from that only we can develop something. No, what we have, a square plus 1 by a square is the given as 47. We have to find out a plus 1 by a. We have to find out a plus 1 by a means 1 by a. We have a square plus 1 by a square. What we will do? Only 4 questions in your textbook or 5 questions are there?
We have 4 questions.
4 questions.
Only 4 questions. One text is
Ma'am.
4 questions are there. Of my text, some more questions are there. Okay. A square plus 1 by a square is equal to 47. Some adjustment we have to do in this type of questions. Like a square plus 1 by a square is equal to, second one. Study well this type questions. A square plus 1 by a square is equal to 47. A not equal to 0. We have to find out a plus 1 by a, and second one is a cube plus 1 by a cube. A square plus 1 by a square is equal to 47. We have to find out a plus 1 by a. So some connection a square plus 1 by a square. If we do something, it will be in the form of a plus 1 by a whole square. Then if we take the square root of that, we will get, if we get a plus 1 by a the whole square, suppose it is 4, then a plus 1 by a will be what? Root of 4, we can take positive values 2. So a plus 1 by a whole square, expansion of a plus 1 by a whole square is what? A square, it contains a square and what? 1 by a square, isn't it?
Root of 47.
A square plus 1 by a square plus 1, 2 is there. No, in that expansion of a plus 1 by a whole square, isn't it? So that same thing, a square plus 1 by a square is there as 47. A square plus 1 by a square is there. There we don't have which one? If we want to write in a plus 1 by a whole square form, this question, if we want to write in a plus 1 by a whole square form, is it correct? A square plus 1 by a square, we can write it as a plus 1 by a whole square. Can we write?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why? 1, 2 is there. No, in our expansion, 1, 2 is there. Isn't it? Listen me properly, don't write anything. 1, 2 is there. Then only we can write in terms of a plus 1 by a whole square, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we don't have 2. So if we want to write in a plus 1 by a whole square form, we need 2. Number 2 we need. So what we are doing in the left side, that same thing we have to do in the right side, then problem will solve. One example I will give you. If as a teacher, I can say, if 1 or 2 are not doing the homeworks, no, means I will say, or I will discuss in the class. No, we will not discuss in the class. I will give you a personal message, isn't it? Or you will call me personally and I will clear your doubts. If so many are there, means we will adjust with that. That we will take the, what we will do? We will discuss in the whole class.
Discuss in the class.
Discuss in the class. So we want to make in terms of 2. That means we want to get 2. We have only a square plus 1 by a square. So we need 2 in the left side means we have to give. As a brother or sister, we have to give. If you are giving something to a brother, you want to give to the sister also. Otherwise, fight will be there. No. So same way, if we are giving 1, 2 to the left side, that same 2 we have to give to the right side also. No partiality there. So why we are adding 2? Why we are adding 2 to the left side? Adding 2, we are adding 2 in the left side. So we should write, it is compulsory. If we add 2 in the left side, we should add 2 in the right side also. Adding 2 on both sides. Why we are adding this 2? What is the use of adding 2? Tell me.
To make that a plus 1 by a whole square.
To make it as a plus 1 by a square. That means a plus 1 by a whole square formula is a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. That 2 we are adding. Don't add 4 or 5. Understood? So add 2. So what we are doing in the left side, we have to do in the right side also. So a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Thus we can write it as what? In next step we can write it as
A plus 1 by
A plus 1 by a whole square.
1 by a the whole square, which is equal to 49. Write down up to this. Then tell me your doubt. What is your doubt? Question is a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 47. Keeping that a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 47, we can't do anything. We need a plus 1 by a. Answer of a plus 1 by a we need. So we have to convert in terms of a plus 1 by a whole square. Then only we can get, you will get what? A plus 1 by a. Any doubt in this? Up to this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Watch the recorded video once again. Study thoroughly. A plus 1 by a is equal to root of 49. So a plus 1 by a is equal to what? Plus or minus 7. Isn't it? Plus or minus 7.
Yes, ma'am.
So this okay, I think. Usually we are taking positive values only, no? So we can write what? A plus 1 by a is equal to positive 7. So first part over a plus 1 by a we got it as 7. Next a cube plus 1 by a cube. For getting a cube plus 1 by a cube, what we have to do? We have a plus 1 by a. So can we connect a plus 1 by a with something, or we can do anything to get a cube plus 1 by a cube? Think of that. If you want to get square means we will square. If you want to get cube means what we have to do? Cubing both sides.
We will cube.
Cubing both sides. So which one we have to cube? A plus 1 by a is equal to 7 we have. So that we have to cube. That is cubing both sides. Cubing both sides. We will get what? A plus 1 by a the whole cube is equal to what we are doing in the left side. We have to do in the right side also. 7 cube. Then this is in the form of what?
A
A plus b
whole cube.
plus b whole cube. That is a formula in your textbook itself. Take first page. We want to write that formula. A plus b whole cube and a plus b. Take turn your page. Expansions of yesterday we discussed now 4.3. A plus b whole cube is what? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube.
Plus b cube.
Same as square. Instead of b we wrote it 1 by a, no, in square. Here also
Yes,
instead
ma'am.
we will write 1 by a. So how can we write? Which
A
is written?
whole cube is equal to
A
A cube plus 3A square 1 by A plus 3A square, say 3A 1 by A whole square plus 1 by A cube.
whole cube. So simplify that. Don't write now, don't write this one. Only write the formula. I will. First page we want to write this formula, that's why. Is equal to, now no need to write anything. A cube, here 2 and 1a we can cancel, no. Plus 3a.
Plus
3
uh,
1 a square. So a cancel. 3 by a, isn't it?
3 by A plus 1 by A. 1 by A cube.
1 by a cube. Take page number 58. What is that? A plus 1 by a. Third one. Expansions a plus b. 4.3. A plus b whole cube. Then a cube plus b cube. Got it? First one. Second one, a minus b whole cube. Then a cube minus b cube in red letter. Then third one is a plus 1 by a whole cube is equal to what they have written. A cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a. So how we will get that? 3 into 1 by a. A cube together. A cube. Then plus 1 by a cube. Rearrange that. 3a plus 3 by a. From these two, we can write what? 3 common. So a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 common. Balance. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Sleeping.
No, ma'am.
This is the formula. A cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a. If you study this formula, no problem. Study this and directly apply this formula here or do the calculation
Ma'am,
in
this formula we have to write in the first page.
first page. A plus 1 by a whole cube is equal to this formula you have to write in the first page. Rounded up these all things. A plus 1 by a whole cube is equal to a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 by a. Similarly, what will be a minus 1 by a whole cube? A minus 1 by a the whole cube will be what?
A cube minus 1 by A cube.
By a cube.
Uh,
Here also minus 3 into a
minus
plus
3.
1 by
minus 3 into a plus 1 by a. This also you have to write in the first page. Already we wrote a plus 1, a plus b whole cube, you know. Then a minus b whole cube, isn't it? That two formula we have written, no? Then after that you wrote yesterday a cube plus b cube, isn't it? A cube minus b cube also you have written. Then this is which one? Number 12, 13. Which formula? 13.
14 and 15. 13.
Which one? A cube minus b cube. Huh? A plus b
Ma'am,
whole
A plus B cube. A plus B whole cube is 12th and 13th is A minus B whole cube.
Then a cube plus b cube 14. We have written that, no? A cube plus b cube or not?
Yes, ma'am, we have written.
So 14th, then a cube minus b cube 15th formula. Then mark it as 16. A plus 1 by a whole cube. Then this one 17. A minus 1 by a whole cube. Completed up to 17?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Same as the yesterday's. How can we find out a cube plus 1 by a cube? We want to write the 18th formula. 18. Formula 18. A cube plus 1 by a cube. How can we find a cube plus 1 by a cube? Tell me.
A
We
A
need
plus 1 by,
Ah,
you have to write
plus
A plus 1 by A cube minus 3 into
A plus 1.
A plus 1 by A.
A cube plus 1 by a cube there. Then take this positive 3 into a plus 1 by a to the left side. So a cube plus 1 by a cube, we can write it as a plus 1 by a whole cube minus 3 into a plus 1 by a. This is formula number 18. That is, near you write 16 and 18 have a connection. 16 and 18, near that write down 16 and 18. For your knowledge only. 16 and 18, you have a connection. Okay. Completed 18th one.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next 19th formula from here 19th. Don't worry about these all formula. I will give you a clue. Then 19th formula. We have to find out a cube minus 1 by a cube. So what will be the 19th formula? A minus 1 by a the whole cube plus 3 into
A plus 1 by
1 by
3 into a plus 1 by a. A cube minus 1 by a cube is equal to, this is the 19th formula. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So 19 formula means don't bother about these or 19 formula and don't get tensed. So we studied formula for a plus 1 by a whole cube. What is the formula? A plus 1 by a whole cube. How many of you can study these all formula by heart? Please raise your hands. These all formula, how many of you can study by heart? How many of you can? All the formula you will study by heart. Without mistakes. So those who can't by heart this formula, one thing you do, you have to do this in form of a plus b whole cube. Understood? What about a plus 1 by a whole cube? Directly using the formula you can write a plus b whole cube. That is a plus 1 by a whole cube. Formula is what? We have written that. What is the formula? Hello?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
got a plus 1 by a whole cube.
Now only we wrote no a plus 1 by a whole cube.
A
What is
cube
A cube plus 1 by A cube plus 3 into 1 by A. 3 into A plus 1 by A.
that is a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into what?
a plus
3 A plus 1 by A.
A plus 1 by a. That is equal to 7 cube means 7 into 7 into 7. What is the answer? 7 to 7 to 7. Hmm? 49 into 3. 49 into 7.
343.
343. So directly you will get this step. If you can't study that formula, do 2 or 3 steps using a plus b whole cube. So how can we? A plus b whole cube is what? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So same concept apply here. A plus 1 by a whole cube. Tell me a cube plus
A cube plus 3 into A
3 a square. B means what? 1 by a
plus 3 into A into 1 by A whole square plus 1 by A whole cube.
Whole cube is equal to 7 into 7 into 7 is what? 343. Then simplify this. A cube plus 2 in the working column. 3a square into 1 by a. A. Already we wrote no 3a. Translation plus 3a. Plus again 2 in the working column. 3a into 1 by a whole square is what? 1 square by a square. 1 square 1 divided by a square.
3 by
3 by a. So plus 3 by a. Then plus
1 by A
cube is equal to 343. Okay. Then take a cube together. A cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3a plus 3 by a is equal to 343. Up to this clear? 343. Any doubt in this?
Yes, ma'am. No
Others?
doubt.
Is it okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So a cube plus 1 by a cube. Then from here 3 we can take common, no? So if we take 3 common, balance will be what?
A plus
A
3
plus,
plus 1 by A.
a plus 1 by a. That only we wrote in this next step. No? 3 into a plus 1 by a, which is equal to 343. So if you study the formula from the first step, you can directly reach here. Otherwise, you have to do these 3 steps. Which one is better for you? Tell me. That method I can follow. This you will do. How many are interested in the formula method? Please raise your hands. All the formula you should study and you have to apply that the proper time. Don't make it confused. You can say which one. If you can do directly, if you study that formula properly, means no problem for me. Otherwise, okay, only some of this much only. So others, those who are not raising your hands, you are following lengthy method. You are following lengthy method, no? Doing a plus b whole cube. For others, without studying formula, directly do the calculations. No, you are doing that method.
Ma'am, will you please move?
Okay, so you are doing that method, isn't it? Okay, so
Yes,
how many?
ma'am.
Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only some students. So we can do this method, lengthy method. That is better. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So-
the time is 1.
A cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into a plus
And the
1.
time is 1 up.
So a plus 1 by a, substitute a plus 1 by a. What value we got? A plus 1 by a. First part, a plus 1 by a. Substitute that. 7, no? We got 7. 343. 3 into first part a plus 1 by a is 7. So a cube plus 1 by a cube we have to find out. A cube plus 1 by a cube. So a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into 7 is equal to 343. So a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to what? 7 into 3.
Ma'am, the time is 1, 2.
I want to complete this, no?
If
told
349.
you can leave. How can I stop here? At least you want a common sense, no? How can I stop here? Again, tomorrow I want to repeat this again, no? Want to find out a cube plus 1 by a cube. Simply just want to substitute that, no? Where you are going for 2 or 3 minutes. 343 minus 21. So a cube plus 1 by a cube means what? What will be the value? A cube plus 1 by a cube. 343 minus 21.
322.
322. 322.
322. So a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to 322. That only we have to find out.